Okay, so for testing the application, what we need to do, we need to go to our pom.xml, and here in the pom.xml, you have to add the dependency. What dependency we need to add? This dependency we need to add. Is this clear to you? This is for testing. Is it clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then after doing this, suppose I'm trying to add, I want to apply testing on the payment processor. Okay, so we have to go to our component and copy paste this code. This code is for testing, and it is in the component you have to create a file payment processor test. So you have to right click, new Java class, payment processor test. And once you apply the dependency, you have to go to Maven and reload. Okay, reload all Maven projects. This you need to do. Okay, we already done this. Okay, this you need to do. Reload all Maven projects because we added the new dependency, so we need to do that process. And after doing this, we will copy paste. And we are getting some errors. So maybe the error is that we need to delete this file and put it somewhere else. Where we need to put there is a test file, source test Java form example payment. Okay. So in the payment, we create a new package component, and in the component we will say new Java class payment processor test. Okay, now we have to put our code here. Okay, this is not required. So is this clear to you? Now we are not having any error. Is this clear? Is this clear? How to apply this? How to apply a test file is clear to you? Is it clear? How to apply the test file?
What? So please complete.
Hmm? Should I repeat this? Should I repeat it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I have done earlier is that I apply the file here with the payment processor. Here only I have applied. Okay. Uh, so I got the error, and then we saw that there is a already folder of test here. There is a test folder already there. So in the test folder, we need to create this file. Is this clear? So we create a special package component. This was com.example.payment was already there. So we create our package. In that package, we create our test file. So it means there is the recommended way to put the test files. So in order to put the test files, you have to put into the test folder. Is this clear? The recommended way is to put into the test folder. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the test folder, you need to. Earlier, I was not. Earlier, I created this file in the component folder only. In the above, if you see, there is a component folder I created there. I got errors. So the system recommendation is that there is already test folder. You have to create the test files under the test folder. So I create a new package component. Inside the new package component, I copy paste the code of payment processor test. Now let's see how it works. So I'm clicking on the run button. So after it runs, I get this output. Okay. Is this output visible to you? Is this output clear visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So here you see I I put two test cases, and in both test cases I got a green tick, and here I am getting the message two tests passed. Okay, so it means that whatever the test cases I applied here, they all are passed. Okay, is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
In case your test case fails, then suppose in case the test case fails, then you will get a red cross. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we are doing here, this is the code. And suppose here what we have done for PayPal, we create a mock service. Is this clear? We create a mock service for PayPal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a fake PayPal service. Okay. So it will the Mockito. We will create a dummy object for you, not a real object of payment service. Okay, it is just for testing. So a dummy object will be created for you. Now there is a map also. This is a map. The map is saying that if someone requires a PayPal service, you redirect to PayPal mock. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are these are the mock services. So if someone say PayPal, it will be given to PayPal mock. Then there is a processor also. There is a process payment. Okay. So this is your processor. So what it will do, it will call process payment. Called process payment. So where the process payment is, so this is the process payment. What this payment will do, this we already seen. This process payment maps the PayPal to this payment service dot class. Okay. And then what will happen afterwards? So this will be verified. Okay, this will be verified. What we need to verify that the mock service should be called one time. Okay. Is this clear? This we need to verify. What we need to verify? So it is written here. PayPal process was called exactly once with this request. So this is the verify if your payment gateway is PayPal. So these things we need to verify. And this is for PayPal. So what we need to verify that PayPal service should be called one time. Is this clear? This the first thing that we need to verify is this. Is it clear? That if I require a PayPal service, so that the mock object that will be called only one time. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And the stripe mock will never be called. This we don't want to call. Is this clear? This we never want to call. Is this clear? Is this clear? What we are testing is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So our both test cases is passed. Okay. So what we need to test here, is this clear? What we need to test? We need to test this method. Is this clear? We need to test this method. So that's why we are writing @test. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So it is written here. The method name is written here. So the tick means this tick here means that it is working fine. So we apply the test case to this method. It is routes to CRET gateway. Okay. And it is doing this thing. Then we are applying the test case to this method. Okay. That is this method. So which is shown here, and it is also have a has a green tick. So it means this is also working fine. Okay. So what this test case is doing, routes to CRET gateway. So here we are creating PayPal mock, Stripe mock. Okay. We are creating the fake payment services. Okay. Then what we are doing, we are mapping this PayPal to PayPal mock, this Stripe to Stripe mock. It means if someone writes PayPal, it will be redirected to the PayPal mock, which is a fake service. Okay. Then what we are doing, then there is a processor who will process the services. Okay. We create a processor to process the services, and this is our request. Okay. That I want 150 USD. Okay. Then we are calling process payment, and that this is our gateway PayPal, and I want this from PayPal. Okay. I want this from PayPal. What is our request? Either to add 150 USD or either to send or receive USD. Okay. So that is our request. So process payment. So this is our process payment. Okay, so uh, before, okay, it call the process payment with PayPal. Okay, so what will happen when this process payment function is called? We are redirected to the process payment. Is this clear? We will be redirected to the process payment. Okay, is that clear? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay? But after getting after, because this is a function call, after coming from the function call, what we are doing? Suppose you return from the function call, then we are doing the what we are doing after returning from the function call. We are verifying these two things. Is this clear? Is this clear? We are verifying these two things. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so what we are verifying? We are verifying after returning from the function call. So we are asking this Mockito, or we are asking Mockito two questions. What are those questions we are asking? So this is the first question that we are asking. That PayPal process was called exactly once with the request. This is the first question that we are asking. Second question that we are asking is that Stripe was never called. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Because we know that we are calling the PayPal, so we are ensuring that only PayPal should be called. Okay, it is not that you are calling PayPal and Stripe is called. Is this clear? If you are calling PayPal and Stripe is called, then this will be true, right? Yes or no? If you are calling PayPal but it is calling Stripe, then this will be true, na? This is come out to be earlier it was true because Stripe was never called. Okay, then this comes out to be false. Okay, is this clear? This comes out to be false.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So it means our code is not working fine. Is this clear? Because this is very critical part, na? Processing the payment is very critical. Okay, so you need to take care about this. Is it clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So the first test is clear to you. The first test is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the second test case. So if you are writing @test, it means this is you are calling JUnit that this is our test case. And the name of the test case is process payment. And here we are throwing the exception also. Okay, it means throwing exception from unknown gateway. So here we are creating a map. What map we are creating? That if the service is PayPal, so in the process payment we are calling here, we are sending PayPal and request. Okay, we are calling PayPal and request. So it is creating a map. It means it is saying that for this PayPal, this is the payment service, and this is a mock payment service. Okay, mock means it is just for mock, it is not working. Okay, mock means that it it only have the information of that who called me and how many times I am calling. Okay, mock service has only two information, that who called me and how many times I am called. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So it contains only these two information, mock payment service. Okay, because it is not here, but only it will record that who called me and how many times I am called. Okay. And the next, what we are doing is here we are, this is our processor who will process this service, and there is a request, and this is our request. So this is for assert is for in case for illegal exception. Okay, so this illegal exception is thrown that if someone instead of PayPal say I want Bitcoin. So what the second test case is doing? What the second test case is doing? What is the second test is doing? Or should I tell you? The second test case is clear.
So can you repeat?
The second test case is only checking where, like, if someone instead of PayPal, if someone say I want a Bitcoin gateway, then we need to throw the error. Is this clear? The error is illegal argument exception. Is this clear to you? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the one task that is this is one of the tasks. Another task is this one. Okay, two tasks it needs to perform. Okay. Suppose I say PayPal. So I want that PayPal service will start working. Is this clear? If I say PayPal, then PayPal service will start working. Is this clear to you? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first task. Say if I'm say PayPal, then PayPal service should work. It is not like if I'm saying PayPal, then Stripe will work. I don't want the Stripe to work, na? Yes or no? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the one task that I require from this test. And these are the services. Now I already mentioned that for PayPal I want PayPal mock. For Stripe I want only Stripe mock. Is this clear? Services I already mentioned. Yes or no? And these are mock services that I mentioned here. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? And what this first test case is doing? This first test case, after calling this process payment, okay, you will get some information that okay, if I am calling PayPal, then only PayPal is called. PayPal service is called. So this information you are getting. Is this clear? You are calling this payment process, and this payment process give you two informations. Give you one information that which is the service which is called. Okay. Now you know that for PayPal, the PayPal service is called. Okay, so it will give you this information, okay, that okay, only one time it is called. Okay. Who stored this information? Who stored this information? I already told you na, that this part, this service is not here, but it only captures that who called it and how many times it is called. So the answer will be one here. Is this clear? Answer will be one here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that information we will get here, and we will verify that okay, it is called once, so it will be okay. And this is also verified that if you are calling PayPal, then Stripe mock will not be called. It is never called, na? Because we already mentioned here whom to call whom. We already mentioned here whom to call whom. Is this clear? Here we already mentioned na, that for PayPal you have to write PayPal mock. For Stripe you have to write Stripe mock. So when this program will give you, when your test case will false, the test case will get false if you by mistake here you write Stripe mock and here you write PayPal mock. Is this clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
It means by mistake, if you done something wrong, like when you have to write PayPal mock, but you incidentally write Stripe mock. You have to write PayPal mock and incidentally you write Stripe mock. then the verification will fail. This verification will fail. Is this clear? This verification will fail. Okay. And how you come to know that, okay, how many times PayPal is called? So that information you are getting from the second test case. Is this clear? What second test is giving to you? Is this clear? What second test case is giving to you? It means how many times this service is called. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, why we are creating this processor and request? The reason for creating this processor and request is that because we are calling this, we are calling this, we are calling this process payment, and for this process payment is called by processor, and we are sending the request also. Is this clear? We are sending the request, and who is calling processor payment? Process payment, the processor. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this they both should be here. They both should be here. Okay, here. Is this clear? Is there, are you clear why I have written these two things? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So this test case is giving you the information that how many times this PayPal is called. Okay. And then you also come to know which service is called. There's that information you also get. You are also getting that information also. Plus, in case someone instead of PayPal, if someone say Bitcoin, then that is not required. So in such case, you have to throw the exception. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, why our two? There are two test cases. Why our two test cases are passed? Because in our first test case, these two are okay. We call PayPal one time, that is okay. Stripe was never called. So this method is okay to us. Okay. This test case is passed. Is this clear? Why this test case passed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this test case is passed because when you are giving Bitcoin, it throws the exception. Is this clear? This is passed because when you provide Bitcoin, the exception is thrown by this. Okay, in that case, this is passed. So our both test cases are passed. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to write test cases, where you will write? Where you will write your test cases?
So there is a separate folder
Yes,
test.
yes.
Inside that we are having component, and there we have to write.
Mm. Yes. So it is clear. So
Yes, sir.
you pass Bitcoin, you pass PayPal. Okay, so you pass PayPal. This test case pass. Why this test case pass? The second test case. Why it is pass? Here because when you go here now you are mentioning that I am passing Bitcoin. Here you pass the Bitcoin. Is this clear? Here you are passing the Bitcoin. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you pass this Bitcoin here, so this information is passed here. This information is passed here. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how it will check the information of Bitcoin? It will check the information of Bitcoin through the map. Okay. Because in the map, it will not find Bitcoin. There is a map here, na? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the map, we don't have any information of Bitcoin. What information the map contains? The map contains the information of PayPal only. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the exception will be thrown. Is this clear to you? The exception will be thrown. And if the exception is thrown, then our second test case will pass. Okay. Is this clear? Is it clear? When the exception is thrown, because this exception will be thrown and our second test case will pass. Is now clear to you how it is working?
Yes, sir.
Okay.